What's up guys, this is Sean Tan and today it's 27th of December and I'll be traveling with these two ladies. So that's my wife, that's our friend Crystal. It's her birthday today, but anyway we are going to Bangkok until the second day of New Year, so it's going to be a very long trip.什么？这样你讲你丑的话，这样我退席有点怪了咯。What's up guys? Now we have just landed in Thailand and everything is in Thai and I have no idea. So the girls are going to pick up the luggage and we're going to head off to Bangkok first. Tomorrow, it's only for one night, and tomorrow we will have very different plans. So it's a different trip of Bangkok. A SIM card war right here. You see, everybody just start fighting for which service providers to choose from. 1,354, that's the difference between rides. Yeah, so it's always good that because some airports don't allow Grab, but this one, yeah. This is the toilet, washroom, right? And it's a very decent height. Very small, but then it's cozy enough. Then you will cover using only this curtain, right? And then you have the bed. And upstairs, right, there's only like just good enough for you to stand. No, for you to lie down. So that's about it. And then it's a shared corridor. I need to whisper right now. And this is what the girls are going crazy for right now. Unlimited noodles. My god. There's a shared bathroom where so our dog, the one is with a private bathroom, but this one is for those who you only rent beds, so a bed is like 80 bucks and you get to share bathrooms. In total it's 130 ringgit. We have like squid, pork, fish, veggie and egg, which is like a lot of stuff for 3% eat 5 dishes and 130 bucks. Not bad. So now it's quite surprising because the entrance is like this. Like you have ventilation fan here, you have cabling here, full of dust, things like that. So this is the front. It's called seafood, so if you guys ever come across, so this is after you. Check out the line, man. For after you, for me it's just normal, nothing great, but maybe it's new here. So I think that's all for day one, tiring day, but very interesting because we find a lot of alleyways like this, which is a lot of interesting things are happening, right? And then there's a lot of eateries, but it's not as cheap because we are in Bangkok, so it's the capital city. And the rules for urban transition is the same. So now we're gonna head back to the hotel and get some rest because we're gonna travel early tomorrow. So